Hey there, fellow developers. Ever wondered how AI can supercharge your coding game? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of AI helpers like GROK, ChatGPT, and others to see how they're changing the way we code. In just 3 minutes, you'll uncover the benefits, key features, use cases, and even the cons of using AI in software development. So, let's get started. First things first, what are AI helpers? These are smart tools powered by artificial intelligence that assist developers in writing code, debugging, and even learning new programming concepts. Think of them as your personal coding sidekicks, always ready to lend a hand. Now, let's talk benefits. The biggest one? Time saving. These AI tools can whip up code snippets in seconds, stuff that might take you hours to write from scratch. They can also explain complex code in simple terms, making it easier to wrap your head around tricky concepts. And they're available 24/7, no coffee breaks needed. What makes these tools so special? Let's check out some key features. GROK, for instance, is awesome at code completion and suggesting improvements as you type. ChatGPT shines when you need answers to programming questions or detailed explanations. Some AI helpers even spot potential bugs before you hit run. Pretty cool, right? So, how do these tools fit into your workflow? Here are some use cases. Picture this, you're wrestling with a bug that just won't quit. Ask ChatGPT for help, and it might suggest a fix you hadn't thought of. Or, if you're picking up a new language, GROK can dish out examples and best practices to speed things up. They're also great for brainstorming or getting a fresh take on your code. But hold up, AI isn't flawless. There are some downsides. Sometimes, these tools spit out incorrect or outdated info, so you've got to double-check their suggestions. And if you lean on them too much, you might stall your own growth as a developer. They're assistants, not replacements for your skills. In conclusion, AI helpers like GROK and ChatGPT are game changers. They boost your productivity, help you learn faster, and make coding more fun. Just use them wisely, and you'll be coding like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech goodness. Have you used AI in your coding? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear about it. See you next time.